Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to charge a Canon battery with a Unipal charger. Charger, it comes with the connection point. This is where you put in your battery. It gives you two regions for the battery, and then this is the how to regulate it, move it through and fro so that it can fit your battery. The camera, a Canon camera. Below it is where you can get your charger out, and then this is your battery. You press here and get it out. With the Unipal charger, this is the connection cord. This little side is for here. Put it through. Like this, and this is for your laptop to connect, use your laptop, or to use a socket. I got mine. I got this charger socket from Poundland for £1. You can get something like this if you want. Connect it here. It's actually like a phone charger, but you can still use it. Connect it to your light source, and when you do that, a red light will come through to show you that there is electric source to it. Then you pick your charger, loop it through here into the hole. Loop it through here into the hole and pull it up. Once you do that, once you loop it through and pull it up, you will see a second red light coming through, but this time around the light is blinking, so it's to show you that it is charging. Hope you were able to understand from what I just demonstrated how to charge your battery, your Canon battery charger, using a Unipal Mini charger. Thank you very much for listening. Bye.